Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload and sell a Notion template on Gumroad in 2026. So whether you've created a productivity planner, a habit tracker, business dashboard, finance tracker, or content calendar, Gumroad makes it easy to package your Notion template and sell it online. By the end of the tutorial, you'll know how to prepare your templates, upload them to Gumroad, and optimize your product page, and start selling with real examples to inspire your own digital product. All right, so the first step is preparing your Notion template. So before uploading anything, make sure your Notion template is complete and ready for customers. So we're going to be opening up a template. Let's just go ahead and open up this daily habit tracker setup. So this is what I'll be going with for my template. Basically, it looks like this, mostly because I designed it using the Notion AI. Now, if you actually want to get proper templates, you're going to have to head over to the marketplace. Click on the marketplace, it's going to open up, and then just go ahead and select templates. Now you're going to see a couple of templates from work to live to school. So we have a few things here like University Pro, Budget and Finance Pro. It costs about $2.99. So we can just aim for maybe a free one. Let's see if we can find a free one here to simply download. Now, if there isn't any free options, then probably we can just go with the paid options instead. All right, so there are a couple of free options here, like a weekly planner or trip planner. So let's just go with the weekly planner. Click on it and open up the templates. Go ahead and click on add, and then just click on this copy link to template first and copy. Now, once you've added the planner here, you're going to see it in your private for weekly planners. Click on the drop down and you'll see that there are no pages inside. But basically, this is what it looks like here. Now we can just click on the share option and click on publish, and then just go ahead and click on publish. And it's going to publish this. You can make sure it's set to duplicate as template, so it creates a template for us. And then you can also, change a couple of things like sharing via socials. Just click on view site once you've clicked on publish. You should also remove any personal information or private notes before sharing it publicly like I did. Once everything looks good here, just go ahead and share it. So the next step after generating a shareable copy of your template is linking your customers to the template by duplicating it on a Notion workspace. That works when you head over to the template itself, click on publish, and then select duplicate as template, which allows others to duplicate your page. All right, and once that's done, we're going to be creating a public template link. You can get the link here. You can just copy this and sell it, or just click on the copy option. It's the same thing. So we've copied the link. Now head back to Gumroad. Once you're here, make sure you have an account on Gumroad. If you do not, please sign up for Gumroad. Once you've signed up for Gumroad, we're just going to be going ahead to click on new product on the home page. Once you've clicked on new product, the page is going to open up. And now we're not going to sell an ebook, a membership, a bundle, services, or anything. We're heading for digital products directly. Make sure to include a name for your digital product, which in this case would be a weekly planner. So we're going to type it out, weekly planner, and then just go ahead and click on customize. Don't forget to set up a price as well. Pricing is important, so we can set this at maybe $5.08 and click on customize. Now you may be wondering about the examples of templates. You'll find them in the marketplace. All right, so heading back to Gumroad, just go ahead and enter a description for this. You can generate your description using Claude AI. Just go ahead and click on new chat to create a new chat and ask Claude AI to explain what you just did and give you a description. And then you can now provide the URL. This is the URL here. You could just, name it after your weekly planner and then include an image cover and also a thumbnail. And then for the product info, you could just select your call to action if you wanted to say buy this or pay. And then your summary should also be included, and then add some additional details. After that, you could just head into the content section, and instead of uploading any file, just go ahead and use the Control key and V to paste the link for your weekly planner, as this is what we're going to be selling. So now it would be time to deliver your template to customers. Just make sure to add the template link, as I said, as part of your product delivery. You can also include a PDF guide with the template link, a setup instruction, a quick start guide, and a frequently asked questions section. This gives customers a smoother onboarding process after a purchase. And then just optimize the page. So, a well designed product page can help you increase your conversions. So, explain exactly what your buyers will receive and who your template is designed for. And then clearly explain how customers can duplicate the template into their own Notion workspace. You can have that in the product page here in the description. And then just, find some examples of templates to recreate on the Notion app. So head over to the marketplace and you'd see your templates. You can study them and see how you can improve your template using these templates. And once that's done, you can promote your templates on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook. The more people who see your product, the greater chances of making consistent sales. And then just improve and expand your store after publishing. All right, guys, and that's how to upload a Notion template on Gumroad in 2026. The process is straightforward. You prepare your template, you generate a shareable link, create a Gumroad product, add your clear instructions, include the link that you got from Notion, and then promote it to your audience. With consistent improvements and effective marketing, you can turn that Notion template into a sales day. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.